The new chapter, parts and wholes. Though it is a new chapter, almost 80% of this topic already we discussed in class 4. Just now you have seen shading and finding the fractions. Parts and wholes. Here one PPT I am going to share with you. Look at this PPT. There are 12 fruits are here. Apples, red and green color. 4 students are waiting to take the apples. How to share equally? How to share equally? So fruits I am going to share them equally. Equally means number of fruits and also number of color. 2 red apples, 1 green apple. I am distributing these 4 students. You can see there total apples and students, and side by side how the fruits are divided. 3 fruits made one group and given to the students. You can see. So 12 fruits are there. You have to divide to 4 students. 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So out of 12, 3 fruits to each student. Out of 12, 3. So that is 3 by 12. Out of 12, 3 made a group. Okay. Next. One apple is there. 2 persons are waiting to take the apple. Then how to divide this exactly? How to divide this exactly? Making half part. Exactly half. So make half part of the apple, then each will get half of the apple. Instead of 2 people, if there 4 students are there, we have to divide the apple into 4 parts. This practically you might have experienced. Your parents have given apple cutting into 2 parts or 4 parts to the kids. So this is a known practical thing happened in our day-to-day life. So make 4 parts and give. So one apple divided into 4 parts. So each is known as 1 by 4 part. One whole apple is divided into 2 equal parts, so that each part, one part is 2 parts, total 1 by 4. And this also practically you might have seen dairy milk silk chocolate. When there are 2 or 3 siblings you have, your brother and sister also want the share of that. So to divide this into equal parts only, the chocolate is manufactured in this style. Chocolate is not a flat chocolate. It is divided like this so that you can make parts and you can distribute among yourselves. So make parts, break. So you can have a small parts. This, when you went to a restaurant, when you order pizza, when 4 or 5 friends of you are there, then you ask the pizza delivery boy or the who gives the pizza. You can ask him to make 3 parts or 4 parts. He will make into parts so that equal parts you will get. It is making into parts means equal parts. It is not that different parts. Like watermelon also, you can make into parts. See, some designs are there. Rectangles, small boxes. Some are equal, some are unequal like this. Our national flag, Independence Day is going to come. I hope you are preparing for Independence Day. You prepared some videos. I request all to contribute, participate.
Sir, my birthday August 15.
Oh, very good. Happy
Bhumika.
birthday in advance. So flag is there, and 3 colors are there. And if you see our Indian flag, all 3 colors are in equal size. Saffron, white, and green. Saffron occupies 1/3 of the flag. White occupies again 1/3. Green occupies 1/3.
1/3.
That's what I mentioned here. Draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle of length 9 centimeters. 9 centimeter length, 6 centimeter width. Divide into 3 equal parts. So 9 centimeter and 6 centimeter width.
Sure, we have to write a book.
Oh, I will share this. After that, you can do it. Now, just listen, concentrate the class. Today is the first class, introduction class. No, just listen. 9 centimeter length, 6 centimeter width. This total is 6 centimeters. 6 centimeter width, 3 colors are there. Means each will be 1/3 of 6. That means 1/3 of 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 6 divided by 3. 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. When you want to prepare a national flag with 6 centimeter width, then each should be 2 centimeters. 2 2 2. Then you will get the national flag. Saffron, white, green colors. Of course, Ashoka Chakra will be a part of white color. That explanation is
But
already
sir,
mentioned
in
there.
a blue color.
Huh? No, blue color.
Chakra is
Yeah.
a blue color.
No, it is in blue color. The Ashoka Chakra will be in blue color. That is in between white color. So the top 1/3 of the flag is saffron. And what is the color of the middle one? That is white. Where the Ashoka Chakra is in the middle of white. And the last one is green color. When it is 6 centimeters, 2 2 2, you will make like this. You can prepare a national flag. We have seen our Indian flag. Now, simultaneously, let us discuss some different flags of different countries. Afghanistan flag is this: black, red, green. Black, red, green. Vertical rectangles. You can see. Now, some questions are there. Of course, they are answered also. Look at the flag. How much of it is black? Out of 3 colors, 3 all equal colors. Black is one portion of that. So 1/3, 1/3 is the black color.
1/3.
Green also 1/3.
1/3. Sir, 3 are 1/3.
All 3 are 1/3. But in red color, one white emblem is there. So some red color is missing. That's why red is less than 1/3 of the flag, we said. Third, the middle one is not completely red. Emblem is also there. 3 colors divided, of course, 3 equal. On red color, we are imposing the emblem. This is Afghanistan's flag. Myanmar flag.
Sir, then even India doesn't have totally 1/3 of the colors.
Yes. The blue one is not exactly 1/4. Some extra red color part is there.
Yes, sir.
See, this is red, this is red, this is red. So red is 3/4, but blue is only this. So this also comes under red only. So 3/4 and some extra. So it is greater than 3/4. Red color is greater than 3/4. Red color is greater than 3/4. And blue color, if completely blue, it is 1/4, but not completely blue. So it is less than 1/4. Blue is less than 1/4. Red color is more than 3/4 and blue is less than 1/4. That is what we mentioned there. Blue portion is less than 1/4 of the part. Search the internet, collect all different flags of different countries, paste in your notebook as per this question. Find out, collect as many flags as you can. Some flags I mentioned here. How many flags have 3 colors? Out of these flags, which are having 3 colors? and in which all three colors are equal. That also you have to mention.
Sir, America big.
America, Germany,
Where is
Russia,
America?
Germany, Armenia,
First one is not America, Armenia.
Netherlands, Italy, Italy,
US. Sir, Italy. Sir,
not US, because US does have three colors.
China, sir. China.
Here few flags I collected. You to try some other flags other than this and do it. Here 12 flags I collected. Out of 12 flags, first one, Armenia. It is not America, Armenia. Three colors equal. Belgium, all three equal. Canada, not equal. Red is red less quantity and white is more. China, completely red with yellow star. Not correct. Germany is correct. Three different colors, all are equal. Italy also correct. Japan is not correct.
Russia,
Netherlands is correct. Netherlands is correct.
Russia, Poland,
Poland only two colors.
Germany.
Poland only two colors. We are asking about three colors. Russia three colors is fine.
Russia,
And UK and USA are not correct.
The United Kingdom and USA are not correct.
Not correct. Now one activity, magic top activity. In childhood you might have played with this magic top. Take a
Now
circular
we can't see.
plate. What happened?
Sir, we can't see.
You are not able to see.
Sir, we cannot see the screen.
Cannot see the screen, sir.
Sir,
Now-
we cannot see the screen.
Now
Sir,
No, sir.
no,
Oh, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see. Yes, sir. We can. Now we can see.
the screen.
Activity magic of the hardware circular sheet of paper.
Sir, no, sir.
look at this activity. Draw a circle on a sheet. Hold it once.
So we have to do now in the class.
No, not now, not home, at home. Not now. Take a circle, draw a circle, fold it off. Then again fold it off. Then again fold it. Then again fold it. How many parts you will get?
8.
8.
parts, sir.
Get 8 parts, sir.
Okay.
6, sir. 6.
And so plus
8 parts.
8 parts. 8 parts.
8 parts, sir.
8 parts you will get.
8 parts.
8, sir.
8 parts you will get. After getting 8 parts, try to color it. Try to color it.
6.
Okay, sir.
Now, how many red colors are there? How many red are there? How many red colors?
3, sir.
Yes, out of 8, 3 are red.
Sir. Three, sir.
Yeah.
3 by 8.
Colors.
Next. Chocolate bar. Manju had a chocolate. Total number of pieces in that is 12 pieces are there. 1/4 she want to give to Raji. 1/4. So how many bars she will get? 1/4
Sir,
out of 12 pieces.
3.
Out of 12 pieces, 1/4.
3, sir.
1/4 of 12
Sir, sir.
pieces.
3, sir. Sir, 3.
3.
Sir, the
Sir,
answer is 3.
So 3 small pieces she will get.
3, 9. Sir, 9. 9. Sir, 9.
Suppose she want to give one third. She want to give 1/3. 1/3, 1/3.
4, sir.
1/3 means 4.
3, sir.
1/3 means
4, sir.
4. 1/3, 1/3. 1/2
4, sir.
of
Sir,
12.
1/3 means 4. 8.
4 small pieces. 3 4 is 12.
8. Sir, 1/3 means everyone gets 4.
4. Everyone gets 4. Don't shout. Once you give the answer, keep quiet. I will tell you whether right or wrong. Don't keep on shouting repeatedly. Just give answer, keep quiet. So 1/3 means 4 pieces she will get. 1/6 she want to give to Sheila. 1/6. Out of 12 pieces, 1/6. 1/6 means 1/6 of 12. 1/6 of 12.
Sir, 6.
6 2s are 12. So 2 pieces. 2 small pieces they will get.
2, sir.
2 pieces.
2, sir.
So 4 pieces to Manju, 3 pieces to Sushila, and Sheila got 2 pieces. 4 pieces, 3 pieces, 2 pieces. That means 9 pieces they got.
Sir, total is 9 pieces.
Yes.
Sir, total is 9.
There are total 12 pieces. Raji got 1/3. 1/3 means 4 she will get. Sugata got 1/4. 1/3 means 4 pieces. And Sheila gets 1/6 means 2 pieces. So total pieces 3 plus 4 plus 2 9. So the 9 pieces. The remaining Manju will.
Sir, the remaining. Sir, 3, sir, remaining.
Remaining is 3. 12 minus 9, 3.
Sir, she only ate 3 pieces.
Yes. She ate only 3 pieces. She given away 4 pieces to Raji, 3 pieces to Sugata, and 2 pieces to Sheila. So 1/3, 1/4. 1/3 means 1 by 3 into 12 or 12 by 12 divided by 3. 1/4 of 12 means 12 divided by 4. 1/6 of 12 means 12 divided by 6. Half means multiplication, 1 by 6. So you have denominator here. It is nothing but 12 by 6. Like this. Completed. So this is
Yes, sir.
the introduction of this chapter. Only few questions about flags. This activity, you please do it. Collect different flags from the internet and write the answer. If you are not able to collect this, I will share this. You can use it.
Sir, you can send PDF.
And this PDF I am going to send. This PDF. You have to color the fractions, right? Equal. You know about this equal fractions? This we did in the 4th class. Denominator 4 is there. Denominator 8
Yes,
is there.
sir.
Equal fractions.
Sir, we remember.
1 by 4 equal to dash by 8. 4 multiplied by 2, 8 is coming. So 1 multiplied by 2. That you have to get. 1 by 2 is
Sir,
dash
time
by
is
4.
up, sir.
2 multiplied by 2. So 1 should be multiplied by 2. Like this. 4, 6 dash by 12. So what will be the answer?
Sir,
6 multiplied
sir,
by 2.
time is up, sir.
Don't worry about the timings. If you want, you can leave. Go to hell. When class is going on, why you are shouting? Idiots. You don't have other class now. Then what is the problem to listen? 4 by 6. I am going to share the worksheet. If any difficulty, I am helping you. Instead of listening, you are shouting. Time is up. 4 by 6, 8 by 12. 6 double is 12. So 4 double will be 8. So double means multiple. 1 by 3 is dash by 6. 3 2 is 6. So you are multiplying by 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is. So 1 2 is 2. Like this, you have to write equal fractions. Almost similar to this, we might have done in class 4. So complete this. This whole worksheet I am going to share today. And complete in these 2 days. This also. Coloring this. Comparison of this. This also. 2 by 4, which is correct. Out of this, which is correct. 1 by 2, out of these 2 circles, which is correct. 1 by 2 means out of 2 parts, 1 part is colored. So first one is the right answer. Like this. So lengthy worksheet, you have enough time, Saturday, Sunday, complete and submit to me. Don't forget to submit. Every month, classwork, homework, there will be 5 marks will be allotted. Every month, whoever submit the work, only those are getting marks. Those who are not submitting, they are not getting marks. Orals also, only 50% did orals. I gave marks only to 50%, others 50% students, they failed to get the marks. Okay.
Sir, can you paste it?
Yeah,
Or we have to draw that?
you can take the printout and paste in the notebook.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
We can draw